Sabi is a very, he's a very nice, chilled guy, and he's very empathetic, very loving towards entities and humans and everything. So he said, you know what, okay, you guys are beautiful, why don't you appear again? And I am on the other side, so I'm like the devil sitting on the other side of the boat. I said, you know what, you are one of the most ugliest piece of spirit I've ever seen. You are no beautiful. Prove me wrong. You're not beautiful at all. आप बहुत गंदे हो, क्योंकि the way you started manifesting, because we knew that it wasn't a human being. हमको पता चल चुका था, because when we saw the height, it was as long as the tree. No human being can be as long as a tree. Like पानी से ऊपर तक उसका मैप हो रहा है पूरा का पूरा बॉडी. एंड आई सेड, you're the most ugliest entity ever. आप कुछ नहीं उखाड़ सकते हो, आप बस लोगों को डरा सकते हो, आप बस वैसे खड़े होकर देख सकते हो. बट जब when there are people there who can actually talk to you, now you're refraining. What kind of entity are you? कुछ नहीं कर सकते आप. And Sabi we both were laughing out there, and intentionally. So it's like my team knows that we are creating an act right now to trigger that entity, so they'll play along. So they started laughing कि हाँ मतलब शायद ugly हो. Then Cyber says, you know what, prove Sarba wrong. Manifest yourself and prove Sarba wrong that you are not ugly, you are beautiful. मैंने कहा हाँ बोलो, और नहीं तो मैं जाके दुनिया को बताने वाला हूँ कि आप बहुत गंदे दिखते हो, बहुत बेइज्जती होगी आपकी दुनिया में, एंड स्पिरिट वर्ल्ड को पता चल जाएगा कि आप बहुत गंदे दिखते हो करके. For some reason it worked, and they appeared again on the screen. Now after that thing, we were still kind of talking.
And they were that tall itself.
That tall, yeah. And it appeared, sting करके appear हुआ. And I said, you know what, एक काम करते हैं, S-test करते हैं. So S-test is another dangerous experiment in the paranormal world, where, and only that until I'll tell you, Pooja does it. What happens is, S-test, we use a gadget called Spirit Box. Spirit Box is basically a gadget जो कि white noise generate करता है by scanning radio frequencies. Now the non-believers will be like, अरे radio frequency कर रहा है, तो अगर कोई radio channel में पूजा का नाम आ रहा है तो पूजा को सुनाई देगा. So what we do is, one, we scan it very fast. As in के let's say हमारे इंडिया में there are very limited radio channels. That doesn't mean कि सिर्फ उतना ही है. It's just कि हमने उतना का ही band लिया है for our purpose. But there are thousands of radio frequencies out there. What the gadget does, it scans all those frequencies available. So it can be like scanning 300 channels in 1 second. That fast. Or in 4 seconds or in 2 seconds. That's in our control. So what we do is we scan it very fast. Now उसमें भी थोड़ा सा मौका रहता है कि शायद अगर पू में एक में आया by chance और दूसरे में जा आ गया for some reason, तो पूजा को लगेगा कि उसका नाम जा रहा है. तो हम क्या करते हैं, वो जो चैनल को हम let's say 200 से 800 तक का चैनल है, instead of going from 200 to 800, we go from 800 to 200, we reverse it. So now no intelligent word can come from it, because even if radio channel वो scan कर रहा है, whatever you are talking, whatever I'm talking, वो सब उल्टे चल रहा है. So intelligent कुछ सुनाई नहीं देगा आपको. It will all sound like का कैसे सुनाई देता है. Now what the spirit does is, it uses these frequencies, this noise, the white noise, to communicate, to give out a message. So you can hear their voices through these white noises. In S-test, what we do is, we plug in an earphone to the spirit box and हम पूजा के कानों में डालते हैं. Those are ear noise cancelling one. And we blindfold पूजा. Why we blindfold? Because when you're blindfolding someone, you are basically cutting down their most important sensory perception in a situation like that. अब जब अंधेरे में हो, you're investigating the paranormal, अंधेरा है, सब कुछ है, आपको पता नहीं है, plus पूजा had hydrophobia. That's a different thing. You are still closing your eyes. Why? Because अगर मैं आंखें खुली हैं और मैं सुन रहा हूँ, my mind will get influenced by what you are doing. If you are getting scared, getting excited, you're telling something, you're lip-syncing something, my mind, that's how the human brain works. It will try to find patterns, it will try to find similar things, and हमारे माइंड को फीड करेगा, बोलेगा कि हाँ ये सुनाई दे रहा है करके. We don't want that risk. इतना मैनिपुलेट नहीं होने दे सकते हम लोग. So we shut down the eyes. But by doing that, what is happening is, Pooja becomes a medium to the spirit world. She becomes a bridge between spirit world and the living world. Because she is channeling everything, she is listening everything, and ऊपर से she is a very sensitive person. So it makes the things very dangerous for that matter. So हमने कहा S-test करते हैं हम लोग. S-test में हमको for some reason we were getting the numbers 25. क्या 25 हमको भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. वहाँ पे हम बैठे बैठे हमने गेस करा कि मे बी इट्स अ मोर्स कोड बिकॉज पोर्चुगीज सोल्जर्स माइट बी टॉकिंग. तो हमने कहा भाई साहब हम लोग पोर्चुगीज सोल्जर्स नहीं है, आप बात कर रहे हैं तो ढंग से करो वरना मत करो. आई सेड दिस. एंड देन ड्यूरिंग दिस वन ऑफ द मोस्ट नॉट क्रीपीएस्ट बट वियर्डेस्ट थिंग दैट हैपेंड ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन में वाज, सो जब एक बोट को खड़ा करने के लिए आपको एंकर डालना पड़ना एंकर डालना पड़ेगा आपको, एंड दोज एंकर्स आर वेरी हैवी. The one we had was almost 15 kilos is what our guy said. Now जब हम वहाँ पे रुके, हमको डॉक करना था तो हमने एंकर डाला पानी में. Now तो जहाँ पे जाके वो मतलब इतना जोरों का वो एंकर गया कि पानी sprinkled on us. And according to the fishermen वहाँ पे जो he said something called murk or something which is like कीचड़ अंदर है. Because of that कीचड़ and all वो जो एंकर है ना वो बहुत तेजी से पकड़ लेता है. So इसलिए आप मूव नहीं करोगे. Now we started, for example, so let's say this is the mangrove, ठीक है, and हम लोग यहाँ पे बोट पे इधर थे and we are investigating here. The anchor is here. There is another boat which is taking the shot. And during the investigation, I saw कि ये जो boat है, it's coming here, ठीक है. And I'm telling कि अरे यार ये frame में आएगा क्यों? Because I'm also the creative guy there, so I have to see the frames and all. So I'm telling कि यार वो frame में आएगा because my guy is sitting here and he's recording this side. So I'm like यार ये बोट आएगा तो my guy says कि नहीं don't worry मैं वो cover कर लूँगा. We said great. Now as the estes is happening, we realize something which like suddenly there is a commotion between the fishermen. Like हमारे बोट पे भी एक बंदा था who was you not call it riding but helping us take the boat. He started murmuring something and he's talking to his partner, and Savio realized that something is wrong and we realized that we have been swayed away from the mangroves. हम लोग काफ़ी दूर जा चुके हैं. So the boat never came यहाँ पे. It just कि हम लोग उसके radius में घुस चुके हैं by floating away from the mangrove. So we were so close to the mangrove कि Savio was holding one of the branches. वो हमारे पास footage भी है कि वो ऐसा पकड़ा हुआ है because he wanted to stay as close as possible to the mangroves. But during the process, हम निकल चुके हैं वहाँ पे and the fisherman's like it has never happened in my 15 years of doing this business where I'm fishing and doing things कि anchor इतना भारी anchor so close to the shore of course जहाँ पे mangroves हैं with the roots and all entangled इतना दूर जाएगा. We were like ये कैसे हो सकता है because we also noticed कि हाँ यार हम तो काफ़ी दूर आ चुके हैं. We had no idea. We were so engrossed in the communication we are away. During that estes, we got a word. I'm forgetting the word, but in Marathi it meant हो गया. Because we are constantly asking कि कुछ करके दिखाओ, कुछ बताओ जो कुछ भी है. If you are good enough, show us how powerful you are. And the reply came हो गया. मतलब she said in Marathi, but उसका हिंदी meaning is हो गया करके. And we are like हो गया? क्या हो गया? And now that I'm editing the episode, I'm seeing the timestamp. The moment she said हो गया is when we start swaying away from the mangroves. So according to the NTD, हो गया मतलब it has done successfully pushed us away from it because we are triggering and we are constantly getting deep into उसका history जो कुछ भी है because we knew कि ये जो entities आ रहे हैं are the entities that are controlling those souls out there.